another rainbow here. He's just a smaller one. Oh, he's a nice one actually. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torin, and today we are on the Bow River. We're back with a fishing video. I've brought my dog Piper with me, and Josh and I are going to be doing a WaterMaster float down the river today. So it's just above zero, just maybe a couple degrees. The river just came through just a deep freeze, so we're looking to hopefully get into some fish today. Piper is excited to get going, so we're about to push off and have a day. So join us and let's get into some fish. All right, the digits might be a little cold, but we're about to push off.
They're gonna be cold. Let's make it worth it.
Yeah, if they smell like fish though, who cares? Very calm day. Good thing the wind hasn't picked up too much. There's a pool just below the riffles here. Ooh, got the first fish on. I think it's just a whitefish, to be honest.
A whitey?
Yeah.
Take it.
Got the whitey. The worm. All right, Pip, what do you think? That little whitefish. Slippery little bastard, ain't it? Yeah, there you go. I knew something was hiding under that little ice shelf. Another one. It took the other one. Yeah. Slaying them. Oh yeah. Look at the photographer on the beach. Yeah. Wonder what kind of lens he has.
Sure, if he's out on a Friday taking pics, he's probably out.
Yeah. Whew. My hand's about to fall off. Well, we know what they're on.
Well, we knew that.
Well, that was a couple quick ones. Rolling down right beside Deerfoot now for the first little bend since we launched. It is a little nippy on the hands, but other than that, it's not terrible. Might just have to put a little working on these whitefish today. Hopefully we can get something with color. But we'll see. Hey, in the fucking whitefish here. Whitefish Slayer. This one's definitely a bigger one. Oh yeah. Ooh, it is cold on the fingers. Come on. Oh yeah, there we go. Another chunky one. All right, the third whitefish. Here we go. My hands are absolutely freezing. Trying to put this back in here, but third one on the board. There we go. See ya. Josh is re-rigging up there. Piper's chilling on the back. Stay. All right, first like little corner of the float. We're already into quite a few. Got to watch out for these ice chunks here. Bunch of midges are on them. But let's wait for Josh. Keep floating down. All right, guys, so we're cutting to a different fishing trip. It was a little nippy with Josh and I. Piper ended up falling in the water, so we weren't gonna make it all the way to Fish Creek, so we pulled out early. Luckily, there's another Chinook that came through, so we're about to jump in now at Fish Creek and go to Police. Got the WaterMaster. Justin's with me today as well, so we're gonna try to get into some larger fish. I know we had some whitefish earlier in the video, but hopefully we get into some trout. Was supposed to be a little windy today, but it seems like it's subsided down at the river level here. It's not a bad day, maybe like 5-6 degrees. The guides aren't gonna freeze over, so this water looks nice and calm. Start getting into it, casting. Oh, it's a nice rainbow. I don't know. Oh, maybe. Oh, he's turning up now. Oh yeah, that is a nice rainbow we got there. Of course, it's on the San Juan. Got this nice rainbow here, San Juan worm, just in this little run here. Take a picture quick.
Beautiful little fish. And away he goes.
Nice.
Great job.
Woo.
Beautiful little run here.
Great little run here. It seemed like it might have been a little too quick for them up there, but of course you can see here it sort of slows down. Fish are able to just pick the food off going by. Again, it looks like a nice stretch down there as well, so continue to go down the river. I think I foul hooked him, dude.
No, I think, dude, he's been, yeah, throw me your thing. That's quick.
Here. I think I foul hooked him.
Yeah. Gotta get him above. Okay. Dumb whitey.
Oh, dumb whitey. Another whitey. That's actually a chunkier one. Oh man, that's cold on the hands. Yikes. He's on. He is on. He's coming down. Clean up my rig here. What do you think it is? I don't want to go too deep here. Get soaking wet. Just back up, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's just a whitey. He's pretty big though. Oh.
What was it on? Did you see?
It looked like the high one. It wasn't bad. Really like perfect little drift. Then I literally hook in. I don't think it's very big. Oh, it's on the leech though. Oh, is it a rainbow again? I think so. Oh no. Just a fat whitey. Sheesh. Circle here. It's a decent whitefish.
Nice. That is another good one. Another gator.
There we go. Yeah, I'll paddle. Nice, he took the purple leech. I switched up the leeches. In the middle of the city. sun is peeking its head, warms everything up a bit, lights the water up. It looks just so nice and green. Looking for some more color though, some rainbow. There's quite a few whitefish that are hungry, but hopefully they'll come out to play. Oh! 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 I was like, oh yeah, it's a bow. Oh, it came up to show its colors.
This is a good little one.
Damn, Daniel. I don't know. I just saw his rainbow and then, oh, that was a good one. Shit. Oh, another one. Another rainbow here. Come on, buddy. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, it's a nice one. Come on. Oh, chunker, dude. Oh, let's go is right. All right, guys, we got another chunker of a fish here. Let's let this guy go. Thanks for the fight, buddy. There he goes. Oh fuck, Justin's got a fish and I got the drone in the air, but it's not sounding very well. We're almost at the end there. Deerfoot overpass. It's getting a little bit more windy, so close out the trip here soon. Oh yeah, on the leech. That guy got upset. He had to leave. Come up, you bastard. He's just a smaller one. Oh, he's a nice one, actually. Nice little fish there. One more to top it off here. Holy fuck. Here. You wanna fucking help me? Dude, guarantee this white's bigger than yours. All right, check that white fish out, Justin. Quite a bit bigger than yours, eh?
No.
There he goes.
My whitefish is great grandchild.
I should probably stop fishing, give you a chance.
Stop paying yourself fucking water.
That's the only way I know how. Again. This is, oh no, is it? No, it's just a whitey. Another monster white. Jeez, Louise, man, this is getting tough on my hands. Shit. Okay, dude, this one is definitely bigger. Yeah.
They're all little cousins.
All right, guys, we made it to police, just down the road there. Justin's doing a couple more casts while I take apart the WaterMaster. Got into quite a few fish today. A couple decent rainbows, bunch of whitefish. Wasn't the warmest. Was a good day to get back on the river, get some fish in the net. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to hit that like button. Sub to the channel if you aren't already. Till next time guys, tight lines.